Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can enable private space in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First, you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to security and privacy. Tap on it. From here, scroll down and go to more security settings. From here you will see secure folder option. Tap on it and enter your current PIN. Now your secure folder or private space is now enabled. Let's check it. To do that, as you can see, there is a secure folder option. Tap on it, enter the PIN, and from this plus icon, you can add any app which you want. Let's say I like Fortnite. Tap on it and tap on add. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.